Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be covering some great machines we think you'll love. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure you like the video and subscribe to see more like it. First up, we have the Svanen. It's a 102 meter long and 72 meter wide crane ship, currently sailing under the flag of the Bahamas. Its carrying capacity is 7,871 tons, and its current draught is 5 meters, which is the vertical distance between the waterline and the bottom of the hull. Currently, a Dutch company, Van Oord, is using it for transportation of offshore wind farms. In 2020, the company transported and installed 87 foundations for the Walney offshore with the Svanen vessel. Next, we have the Cayman KMX, a helicopter crane designed for transporting heavy loads. A leading company from Europe, ROTEX Helicopter AG, is using this chopper for forestry operations, transportation of construction equipment and structures, and emergencies. It is also one of the few helicopter types that can take more payload capacity than its own weight. In fact, it weighs 2,300 kilograms, yet can carry 2,700. The helicopter produces minimal downdraft due to its unique design with intermeshing rotors. Up next, we have the KOMATSU MC51. It's a rock-cutting machine designed for underground hard rock mining. It chews through rock with its cutter head and is controlled via a handy remote controller. The cutter head is mounted on a 5-axis robotic boom that can be set to any angle within a 5x5 tunnel. Thanks to its Dynacut technology, the KOMATSU MC51 chips off the rock into small pieces without overbreak. It can excavate 500 meters per month, which is 2 times more output than conventional drilling and blast methods. It took 10 years to develop this machine. Next, we have the HiVision. This innovative solution, based on goggles, sensors, and cameras, is designed for crane operators. It provides a 270-degree horizontal and a 130-degree vertical view of the crane in real time. Moreover, its 3D technology assesses the external working conditions, identifies objects, and assists the operator. An electric joystick is mounted on each armrest of the truck seat. During operation, signals from the joystick are sent via the HiVision control system, which helps control the crane's hydraulic valve and several key features. As a result, the operators do more work in less time. Up next we have the TimberPro TL745D. This feller buncher is 16 feet 5 inches long, 11 feet wide, and 12 foot 10 inches high, with 30 inches of ground clearance. The boom of this machine is 23 feet and 9 inches. It has a new larger cab with more visibility compared to its predecessor. Like most modern machines, it comes standard with a digital climate control system that keeps the cab temperature steady and comfortable. Cummins' 338 horsepower fuel-efficient engine powers this machine with a peak torque of 1,126 foot-pounds. High-output LEDs are installed throughout the machine, including under the cab, to make the work area and tracks visible during night shifts. The Sherpa is up next. It is a universal vehicle used to move timber or other goods using cable yarder systems. It is offered for 2, 3, or 4 cable systems with pulling loads ranging from 1.5 to 4 tons. Using its remote control, the carriage can be positioned at any point along the skyline. This feature enables the most efficient but delicate loading of timber on various carriage sites, even while hauling the load to a line and a perfect landing on the storage. A mainline breaker shelter is standard on all Sherpa versions. the Tree Harvester 26 is up next. This equipment was built by the KIRK company, which is well known in the Christmas tree market. After all, it is used to harvest Christmas trees. Now that we have the Tree Harvester part of the name down, the 26 has to do with its 26-inch carbide tip blade, which provides a working width of 9 inches. A Honda GVX 390 engine with 13 horsepower and 17.8 pound-feet of peak torque has been fitted. Because the equipment is self-propelled, it should be a breeze to maneuver. The volume capacity of its fuel tank is 2.2 quarts or 2 liters. The Agromillora Group is a global leader in the nursery sector. The company uses the best machines and exports for the production of citrus. One such machine is this harvester, which passes over the trees while shaking them to break off the fruit. While doing so, its basket catches the falling fruits. After harvesting, the trees are cut off from a certain height so that the harvester can be used for the next production.
Hey guys, thanks for watching and we really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any thoughts about what you just watched or have ideas for future videos, comment them down below. If you enjoyed what you just saw, feel free to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell too. Thanks for watching and we hope to catch you next time.